Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Chipotle. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in chipotle.pestconsumer.com and press enter. This is a different website which allows us to contact the Chipotle team without going through the hassle of its buggy support and email mechanism. So simply scroll down from this page and then click on Contacts. Now within the Contacts menu, you will find the customer service number which you can call on and then directly express your concern that you want your account to be deleted. You can also send a message by simply clicking on Send Message, and you can also expand by clicking on More phone numbers and emails to find the exact email address that you want to contact. Now you can either copy this email address and then go into your email application and then send an email manually, or you can simply click on your relevant concern and you will get an option to directly send your email. Now within the From section, simply type in your email address, and within the To section, the address will automatically be put in. Now in the Subject section, simply type in Delete Account, and in the main message body, go ahead and type in that you don't want to use Chipotle anymore and that you want your account to be deleted. Then scroll down and enter your phone number and your order or contract ID, followed by your first and your last name. And now click on the checkbox that says I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Then click on the Proceed button and your email will be sent to the Chipotle team. Just wait for a few days until you receive a response and you will find detailed instructions on how you can delete your account on Chipotle within the email. Just follow the instructions and your account will be deleted successfully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Chipotle. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.